little while and then no more. 'Twas Eden's light on earth and then no more. Amid the throng she passed along the meadow floor. Spring seemed to smile on earth a while and then no more. But whence she came, which way she went, what garb she wore, I noted not. I gazed a while and then no more. I saw her once, one little while and then no more. 'Twas paradise on earth a while and then no more. Ah, what avail my vigils pale, my magic lore? She shone before mine eyes a while and then no more. The shallop of my peace is wrecked on beauty's shore. Near hope's fair isle it rode a while and then no more. I saw her once, one little while and then no more. Earth looked like heaven a little while and then no more. Her presence thrilled and lighted to its inner core. My desert breast a little while and then no more. So may perchance a meteor glance at midnight, or some ruined pile a little while and then no more. I saw her once, one little while and then no more. The earth was Periland a while and then no more. Oh, might I see but once again as once before. Through chance or while that shape a while and then no more. Death soon would heal my griefs, this heart now sad and sore would be to new